Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share 9 life-changing baking soda hacks that will blow your mind. Yes, you heard that right. You'll be amazed at what this simple ingredient can do. So, let's dive in. Cleaning the kitchen can feel like a never-ending chore sometimes, right? Well, baking soda can work wonders in your kitchen. Especially for tough grease and grime, mix baking soda with water to create a natural cleaning paste. Apply it to dirty surfaces, let it sit for a bit, then wipe it off. The result? Sparkling clean surfaces with zero harsh chemicals. Tired of those stubborn yellow stains on your clothes? Baking soda is a natural whitener. Just add some to your laundry and watch your whites get whiter and brighter. It's a simple, chemical-free solution for fresher, cleaner clothes. Struggling with unwanted odors in your home? Baking soda has your back. Just place an open box of it in your fridge to absorb all those bad smells. You can also sprinkle it on carpets, let it sit for a while, and then vacuum it up to neutralize any lingering odors in the room. Baking soda isn't just for cleaning, it's also amazing for skincare. You can use it as a gentle exfoliant to remove dead skin cells and revitalize your skin. Just mix it with water, gently massage it on your face, and you'll feel how soft your skin becomes. A natural way to give your skin a glow. Who doesn't want a brighter smile? You can use baking soda as a natural teeth whitener. Sprinkle some on your toothbrush and gently brush your teeth to bring back that natural sparkle. Just be careful not to overdo it. Concerned about pesticides and dirt on your fruits and veggies? Baking soda is the perfect solution. Add a little baking soda to a bowl of water and wash your produce in it to safely remove harmful chemicals and dirt. Clogged drains can be such a hassle, but no need for expensive, harsh chemicals. Baking soda and vinegar are all you need. Pour some baking soda down the drain, followed by vinegar. The fizzing reaction will work wonders to unclog it. After a long day of wearing shoes, they can start to smell, right? But don't worry baking soda to the rescue. Just sprinkle some inside your shoes and let it sit overnight. By morning, the odors will be gone and your shoes will be fresh again. Want healthier plants in your garden? Baking soda can help neutralize acidic soil, allowing your plants to thrive. Simply sprinkle some on your soil, water it, and you'll see your plants grow stronger and more vibrant. That's it, folks. Now you know how baking soda can make your life easier in so many ways. Whether it's for cleaning, self-care, or even your garden, this versatile ingredient can do it all. It's time to embrace a more natural, healthier, and simpler way of living. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, small changes can lead to big transformations. Together, we're stronger on the path to a healthy, fit life.